Hello everyone, Assalamualaikum. Welcome back to my cooking video. I hope you guys stay healthy and having a good day. So today I've been showing you how to make a main course, which is pan-fried sea bass with lemon butter sauce accompanied with a creamy mashed potato and Saute veggie. Before that, you have to know that fish is one of the high protein food that provides range of health benefits. It has important nutrients such as minerals, omega-3s and vitamins, good for our body. Before we enter into kitchen, we must follow up the all personal hygiene. We must make sure our nails is short. Don't wear any accessory at hands like rings or bracelets. Wash your hands cleanly. And you have to wear a suitable and proper attire like uniform chef, apron, head must be covered, and long pants and safety shoes. This is all ingredients that we need to make a pan-fried sea bass, lemon butter sauce, accompanied with mashed potato and sauteed vegetable. Firstly, peel off the skin of potato before boil. Cut the potato become wedges. After that, boil the potatoes until tender. Before we fillet the fish, you have to clean up the fish by removing the gut and skin off. By using the sharp knife, start cut at the top of fish, medium from head and body. And now we're gonna start to cut back of fish. Don't cut roughly, just gentle slice motion to separate the fish filling from the bone, like this. Cut off the excess fish fillet. And then cut into half. After that, you may to wash your fish fillet and dry the fish from excess water by using a tissue. We're gonna prep the fish fillet. Put some salt, black pepper, and Cajun spice. Prep the fish fillet until 15 to 30 minutes. After we have done fillet fish, we're gonna check the potato. You may using the fork and prick the potato to make sure the potato are tender. Cut the lemon into the half. Squeeze the lemon into a small bowl. You also to heat the milk. After we are done boiling the potato, now we're gonna smash by using the fork. Slowly add some hot milk into the potato. Also add butter inside the potato. We want to have a creamy and smooth texture of the mashed potato. Why we should put a hot milk? Because we want to mashed potato serve warm in a long time. Add some fresh parsley and put some salt too. I also add the chicken stock powder and white pepper too. Mixing all together, creamy mashed potato is done. Heat the pan and put some corn oil. Add some butter too. Put our fish into the pan slowly. Let it cook for a while. Rinse it the oil and butter top of fish like that. You also can add the fresh thyme if you have at home. Let it cook for a while and we have done. To make the sauteed veggie, firstly put some butter into the pan. Put some Holland and garlic. Put some veggie that have been cut. You may cut the veggie into a small cutting by your own creativity. Choose the colorful of veggie for better result of food presentation. Add salt, keep stirring for a while and done. Melt the butter to medium heat. Put some garlic. Put the flour into a melt butter. Keep on swirling. We want to make the flour become a roux to make a sauce. Put the milk. Put the little juice of lemon. Put some chicken stock powder for seasoning. If the sauce is thick, you may to add the milk. After we are done make our dish, make sure our kitchen is clean, throw the rubbish, store the utensils and make sure the condition at kitchen is safe. Okay, that's all for today. I hope you guys enjoy my cooking video and must be try the recipe at home, okay?